everybody, good morning. It is time for my family dollar haul. Pretty excited. Now, I'm gonna explain my receipt to you guys when I get to the end of it, but I have done my math 6 times and I cannot figure this out. So I'm gonna need your guys' help when I get done with this, because I'm like, what the heck? So anyways, I got this bigger bottle of Tide. This was $8.95. There is a $3 off digital coupon that you guys want to use for this. You'll end up getting this for $5.95. We got a thing of Scott's paper towels. Now these are on sale for $4.50, so $4.50, and there is a $1 off coupon that you guys want to use. So you'll get this for $3.50. Plus, you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and there's a deal where if you buy 2 paper towels, you get 1,500 points. You do not have to buy them in the same transaction. So I actually got it halfway there. So if I buy one more Scott's paper towels, I'll get $1.50 back. So do that, and then you get points extra for Fetch. I ended up getting the Bounty paper towel. Now this was just $1, and there is a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use for this. So you'll get this absolutely for free. Okay, I'm losing my voice. I ended up getting the Poise. Now these were $5.50. I used a $3 off digital coupon, making them $2.50. Plus, you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. And there's a deal where if you spend so much, you get so much back. So I'm like $5 short of hitting that bonus. But anyways, you do that. And then you can also get extra points with Fetch Rewards for purchasing that product anyways. Well, then I bought the Airwick. These were $3.50, and this is the only one that they had. It's a little beat up, but that's okay because the product is still fine. But this was $1.80. It would have been cheaper doing this one, but my store only had one of these. So I ended up buying both of these for $3.50. And $1.80. You use a $3.50 off digital coupon. You end up paying just $1.80 for both of these, so that's 60 cents each. And so I added all that stuff up together, and it came to $20.25. Okay, $25.25. Or $25.75 or something like that. Then I ended up adding this to my cart because I'm just hungry and I want a thing of cookies. So I ended up getting that. So it's $26.75. You take away the $1, the $3, the $3.50, the $3 off, and the $1 off coupon. Okay, that comes out to be like $11. I don't know what happened. But it says I saved $16.50, but I've added this up several times and I don't know what I did wrong. I added it up with just those items I got, and I got $9.75. I added it up with this and I still get $9.75 after I take the coupons off. I have no idea what the heck I did. I don't know. But anyways, it comes out to $9.75 for 7 items. I did originally figure out the math for 6 items, so that was $1.62 a piece. So not the greatest haul, but I ended up saving $16.50 in savings, so that's what I was happy about. But yeah, I don't know what the heck it is. I've done my math like 5 times and I'm still confused with it. But hey, I'll still take it, especially when you can get a thing of, you know, pretty much buying one of these equals to everything that I got. So that was a pretty good deal. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys my haul. Sorry for being confusing. I just don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. But anyways, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week for another Family Dollar haul. Hopefully we got some better digitals. I used a lot of the good ones the last couple weeks, but hopefully we get some better ones. Again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.